If you are trying to conceive and mainly relying only on apps to track your ovulation, you are probably missing out on your fertile window. And worse, you are ignoring the natural signs that your body gives you every single month. And today, I am going to break down 5 such very important ovulation symptoms that a lot of women don't notice, but they could be the key to helping you conceive naturally. Not only that, but also tell you more about your egg quality and help you finally get that positive pregnancy test. Hi, I am Dr. Zainab Tajir. I am a fertility-focused homeopathy doctor and a hormone health educator. Now, I help women balance their hormones and conceive naturally without any invasive treatments. One of the first things that I teach every single patient I work with, that is how to understand your body and understand what it is trying to tell you, because understanding your ovulation is the star of your fertility. So, let's try and decode your body together. Well, I'm going to tell you 5 such very important symptoms that you are likely ignoring. The first and the most important one is cervical mucus changes. Now, you might also call it discharge, but it's actually one of the best fertility signals. Now, as your ovulation is closer, your mucus becomes more clear, slippery, stretchy, mostly like an egg white, and this helps your sperms travel more easily within your body. So if you are dry around your ovulation period, you are missing out on your fertile window. I also have a very detailed video about understanding your cervical mucus. You can definitely check that video up here. The second important sign is ovulation pain, which we also called as Mittelschmerz. Now, that a lot of women feel a twinge or a mild pain on either side of their abdomen. This pain is not random. A lot of times they dismiss it thinking of gas pain or bloating, but it is actually the sign that your body is releasing an egg. So it's very important for you to look for that pain and to pay more attention towards it and also try around that period. The third important sign is a heightened libido. Now, yes, your body wants you to make a baby. So in your fertile window, women report an increase in their sex drive. This is literally your body's way of nudging you to time your intercourse properly so that there is an increased chance of conception. The fourth important sign is a slight rise in your basal body temperature. So post-ovulation, we notice that your body temperature increases slightly due to the increase in the progesterone hormone. Although tracking it consistently may not help us know priorly that ovulation is happening, but it confirms ovulation and also helps us understand the patterns of our body. So it's very important. And the last thing is the change in your cervix position. So before ovulation, your cervix becomes more higher, it is more softer and more open. And you can track this manually by inserting your finger, but it can definitely take some time to get used to. Apps will not tell you this, your body will. Now, most period tracking apps, they predict ovulation based on maths, not your body's real-time changes. So especially if your cycles are irregular or you have PCOS, these apps can be wildly off. And that is why learning to track the physical signs like your cervical mucus, your body temperature, your cervical position, it is far more reliable in understanding your ovulation. So you don't really need to rely on any fancy tools. You just need more awareness and consistency in tracking. So if you are ready to take charge of your fertility and finally understand your cycle, I have a free fertility toolkit and I shall leave the link for the same in the description below. You can download it and it's going to be a great assistance along your journey. And you can also book a one-on-one consultation with me and I can personally guide you in understanding your cycle better and assisting you along your fertility journey. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit a like and drop a heart in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe for weekly hormone and fertility related tips. And I shall see you in the next video.